Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung TV and it's giving you a 001 error and you don't know what this is and how to get rid of it. So first of all, what is the 001 error? So basically the TV needs to know what country you're in, and based on what country you're in, it's going to give you certain apps and certain options. And if it can't figure out what country you're in, it's going to give you this 001 error. So all you need to do to get rid of this is you're going to just go through and reset everything. It'll take you through the process again where you'll be able to determine the country. So what you're going to do a reset is you're just going to press the home button on your TV. From there you're going to click on settings. From settings you're going to click on support. From support you're going to go to self-diagnosis. And then once you're in self-diagnosis, you'll see that you can reset the Smart Hub. Once you click on that, it's going to prompt you to enter a password. If you haven't yet determined a password, you can use the default password of 0000 and then go through the setup process again on your TV. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.